Hello everybody, welcome back to Burnt Church. I hope everybody's having a good day. We've had rain for about 3 or 4 days and I thank God for it because we've been needing rain here and we should have enough now. It needs to dry up where I can get in the garden. If you're new here, I'd like to ask you to hit the subscribe button and y'all please don't forget the thumbs up or the thumbs down, either one. I didn't realize how much that helped until just here lately. And I've been enjoying all the good comments. I thank each and every one of you that leaves a comment because I really enjoy reading them. We're going to work on the lathe here a little bit today. I'm turning something under here. I ain't going to tell you what it is for a little while. See if you can guess and put it down in the comments of what you think this is that we're turning. Have you figured out what I'm making yet? Well, last night, I got to working on a little project. I had made this bowl here a few days ago. Well, last night I got me a piece of walnut and I started making a little, I don't know what you call these things. I see them all around where they grind herbs up, which this is not really for that, but I thought it would be a pretty replica. I really needed a little bigger piece of walnut to where I could have made a bigger ball on the end of it, but that was all I had last night when I came out here and started working on it. Well, while I was working on this, I got to thinking about strikers for a turkey call, and then my friend came over today and had his strikers with him and was looking at them and stuff, and he said, could you make one of them? And I said, well, I believe I can. So this is our first attempt at a striker. If I can get it just a little bit further down, I think we'll be in good shape. We're almost there now. I'm going to put some sandpaper to it and do a little bit more work to it, and we'll see what it turns out like here in just a minute. That's getting there. I don't really know about this end. I'll have to try to work on it somehow or another. I've got some calls. I'll probably have to sample it on a call. Now, I don't know whether I'll give him this one or if I'll make him another one. This being the first one I ever made, I'll probably keep it for myself. Now this very end here, I'll finish it up on the sander. I'll shape it up the way I want it with the sander. This is my wrench to undo the chuck here. It didn't come with one, and it's a square drive. I didn't have anything that would fit it, and I finally found this. I need to work on this end here just a little bit, and I think we'll be done with it. All I really need to do is sand this end. Maybe I can lock it down in here straight, and we'll sand this end. See what that does. Hope it don't break. I'm going to move this out of the way. It's in the way. Now I can get in there a lot better to sand. hook it back up, I'm wanting to cut a groove around it. I may mess it up, but that's what I want to do. That really ain't what I want there. I need a different knife for this. I'm going to use this smaller knife. I'll bring you down here so you can see it a little better. That's going to be all of it. Well, it works. I think I could probably do a little more work to it. Drill out the end and get some different sounds out of it. I haven't got any kind of finish on it. I'll probably put some of that linseed oil. Probably put linseed oil on it. Sounds pretty good. I hear a turkey. But anyway, this has been fun to do. And I'm probably going to play with some different kinds of wood to do this with. So that may be something coming up here in the future for any of y'all turkey hunters. I might have some of these to sell here in the near future if anybody wants any. But anyway, I'm going to play at the turkey call and probably delay a little longer this evening. With one of these and some turkeys in the area, you might can fill your stomach up. And here in the near future, that may be in great demand. But I thank y'all for watching. I pray God blesses you, and I'll see you in the next one.